Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with each side is 258 yards. We have given here length of side of equilateral triangle is 258 yards. So convert this into improper fraction as 258 means 8 to the 16 plus 5 means 21 by 8 yards. We have to find perimeter of an equilateral triangle Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 times its length of side. So here 3 into 21 by 8, that is 21 3s are 63 by 8. Hence perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 63 by 8 yards. So our correct option is option C, which is 63 by 8 yards.